All right, last one.
Texas woman arrested for attempting to buy a child at Walmart. Oh, I saw this headline, but I didn't read the story. Did you read it? What?
I read it. Yeah.
What's
So this
lady,
I think she's
headline.
around 49 years old.
Yeah.
Decided to just have a big bunch of cash and go buy a child from someone that she doesn't know. And I just feel bad for this Walmart because like Walmart has nothing to do with it. It just seems like they've been put in this this article just because it's Walmart, but it happened in the parking lot.
It makes it more relatable. Everyone can imagine a Walmart and a Walmart parking lot, and so therefore you can the casualness of the transaction kind of. You might think if someone was trying to buy another human, they would have. It
would be a Walmart.
No, exactly. You would.
Yeah, exactly.
You would imagine it would be some kind of sneaky way, so that it's an important element plus SEO. But it is an important element. The fact that the person was brazen enough to just do it in a Walmart parking lot.
Mm-hmm. So she went up to the woman at first and said, "Hey, can I buy your child for $250,000?"
A 1-year-old.
A 1-year-old. And the woman kind of joked it off. The woman with the child, she's like, no. And then she's like, 500. And then that's when security got involved and the cops.
According to an arrest affidavit, the mother had a baby in a car seat and her 1-year had a baby in a car seat and her 1-year-old in the cart. So she's got two
kids.
Wow. So one is one and the other that's 2 kids pretty quick if you got another baby already. Okay. Mm-hmm. Commenting on her son's blonde hair and blue eyes, she then asked how much she could purchase him for. The mom tried to laugh the comment off, thinking Taylor was joking. However, Taylor told her that she had $250,000 in the car and would pay that much for him. The mother told her no amount of money would do. Once outside the parking lot, Taylor confronted the mother again and asked to buy the baby. And then she upgraded the offer to $500,000, saying if she wouldn't take $250,000 for him, she would give her $500,000 because she wanted him and she was going to take him.
That's so scary. It's like, yeah, this is going to happen. So here's the money and I take that baby over there.
Oh my God, that is so weird. She's being held at the Houston County Jail. But, you know, it's a weird, like when you read something like this, you obviously feel bad for the person who was approached, the mother. She's distraught after something like that. Trying to figure out, is this woman a risk? What is she talking about? The kids, obviously, that were there, I mean, I don't know how much they know of what went on, but obviously they had to file a police report. Police probably showed up. It was a weird day for them. Mm-hmm. But then also the woman who wanted the baby and what's going on with her psychologically.
Yeah, she might not even have the money. She's just saying that.
Just what kind of a state that they would have to be in to do something like this.
Definitely a cult.
Not a healthy place to be, obviously. Yeah. And so, well, that person's now being held in jail. Yeah, I really wonder where, if any of this money was present. Was there anything in the car?
Yeah.
Did she? Was this $500,000 actually even available for this deal? And not that it matters.
It would be crazy if she had the money.
I don't. Like, I mean, the mother wouldn't have responded any differently. But I wonder, from a criminal perspective, the difference there. If she could just say, "Oh, I was joking around," but then if the money was actually there, the cops would be like, "Oh, really?
I sold my NFTs to get this money."